Hi students, today my lecture is about the understanding of between data tables and lookup tables in Power BI. This is very important topic, and for a Power BI developer you have to know this logic, and for to know this logic you must having a complete understanding the difference between the data tables and lookup tables. I am going to explain this in very easiest way right now. You see that what is first of all you need to understand what is data table and what is lookup table. Here you go. First of all you see that what is the data table. Here it is that data table is like the fact table. In fact table you have having all related information in your table, and the second one table is the dimension table. In dimension table you have the primary data and which is connected with the fact table. I am clearly explain these two table here, that data table contains number or values typically at a granular level with ID or key columns that can be used to create table relationship. And secondly, lookup tables provide descriptive often text-based attributes about each dimension in table. So this is a very common way for understanding any data table and lookup table. Here it is. I developed two example in which I have created the one lookup table and the other one is product lookup table, and with the data fact table. You are easily relate this each other. In here example, it is the data table which is a fact table. In this date column which is directly connected with this the lookup table. Here you see the date is only repeated once only, and does not repeat it, and but here dates are repeat. Same it is the product ID of the fact table are repeating in this table, and but not in this table. You must have understanding the difference between the data table and lookup table. So thank you very much. And kindly subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.